Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off its location. Start by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same tile one more time. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on the Location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!